Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
And Mom, are you comfortable right now?
Well, you know what? My feet could be a little more comfortable.
Well, we're going to take care of that today.
I bought some metal bar stools from West Elm 3 years ago. I quickly found that the metal footrest on my bare feet was not comfortable at all. So 3 years ago, we came up with a simple solution using self-seal pipe wrap. We wrapped the pipe with fabric and hot glued it together on the chair. That worked, but in the 3 years, the pipe wrap had started to degrade, but the fabric was still in good shape. So we're going to try to do this again with a slight change. We need scissors, Velcro, fabric, self-seal pipe wrap, and a hot glue gun. I cut the pipe wrap to fit the length of the footrest. Then I cut Velcro to the same length. I attached the Velcro to itself, then rolled up the fabric to determine where to cut it. I cut the fabric to length, leaving a little extra on the sides. I'm going to hot glue the sides for a cleaner look, pressing it together with hot glue fingers so I don't burn myself. This step is not necessary, but does give a finished look. It can also be sewn. I took one side of the Velcro off and stuck it to the fabric. Then I placed the self-seal pipe wrap on the footrest. Then I put the fabric in place and stuck the other part of the Velcro onto the fabric. Now I can easily remove the cover to wash it or replace the pipe insulation in probably 3 years.
What we learned. So as you saw, we did this 3 years ago, and what we learned is the pipe insulation probably doesn't hold up more than 3 years. So that's why this new solution is probably going to last us longer.
The fabric on the original ones really was in good shape, but unfortunately because we glued everything, there was no way to change it out or to wash it. So the addition of the Velcro is going to be really helpful so you can change out the decor or throw them in the wash.
Yeah. This was a simple solution to an everyday annoyance using very simple materials, and I already had the pipe insulation in my garage. Are you surprised?
I'm not surprised.
Anyone
at all.
surprised? So thanks for joining us. If you want to see more projects from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com, where you'll find all of our videos, written tutorials, and links to products that we use and love. So we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye. Oh, like, subscribe, and you'll receive notices on all our new videos.
Exactly. Did you see my mug?
I picked it out.
I think they could tell that you
Yeah,
picked it out.